Hi guys, how we doing? First of all, an apology. I've been having a kind of bad week, so I didn't do a video on Tuesday. I'm a wee bit better, so I thought I would do one now. Basically, this is the tunnel, and I'm moving stuff around because they're not getting enough light. Sorry, they're not getting enough light, so they're starting to go a bit leggy. That's more broccoli and cauliflower that I sowed because my other ones kind of sort of disappeared, and I've got some more down there. So there's the onions and the spring onions. This is beetroot that we're in from last year. I don't know if it's going to work. I can see some sort of bulb. They're kind of bulbing up at the bottom. That's the tansy. There. And this is iceberg lettuce that I need to find somewhere to put in really soon. Poached eggs, lobelia, alyssum. These are last year's carrots, and I actually think they're just going to go to seed, to be honest. That's chard that has been in there since last year. And the carrots that I sowed, all the carrots that I've sowed are coming up. There and there, and I've got more seeds for there and there when all this comes out. But what I've done yesterday is I put this together. Don't know if you can see it. I'll come back here. It's a kind of bit haphazard and just flung together. I was in a bit of a hurry, as I said. Wasn't feeling too good, so I just flung it together. And what else I've done is I made this planter here for my strawberries. It's a kind of tiered one, but the wife claimed it, so there's no other night make another one. We fenced there to stop Alfie figging in. I finally got this netted and got some peas in it. Again, my peas there. That's normal peas and that's sugar snap. Haven't done nothing with this part yet. Still got some onions to go in. I know these are still covered, but they are coming up. I just haven't get round to taking the cover off. And this is my epicure potatoes, as in Ayrshire tatties. But they're not growing in Ayrshire dirt, so I don't know what you would call them. I've got my sweet peas in, and this is stuff the wife's been buying. This is a ground cover, it comes up every year. These are carnation type flowers, and obviously they're just pansies. My, what do you call that stuff again? Oh god, man, my memory. Comfrey. My comfrey is now showing its head. And if we come into the tunnel, I have re-sown my, I don't know if I showed it in the last video, cherry tomatoes, which are looking pretty good and healthy. The Crimson Crush at the back are looking a bit strangly. I'm seriously thinking of re-sowing them as well. See if I can get a better plant out of them because they were stressed at the beginning. I think I will actually. Oh, hold on, I'll put some light on. Oh, that helped. Here, look at that, marigolds. They've eventually come up. Actually, no, I'm lying, I'm out and bought more seeds. So, and they were planted about 3 days ago, I think, and they're already up. And here, I've got my sweet corn because it's the 3rd week in April, and my list tells me that I have to plant sweet corn on the 3rd week in April. There's 12 there, I only need 9, so if I lose any, I've got spare. Now this is ginger root. And I subscribed to a lady over in America who showed a video, and I think her channel's called All Food Comes Dirty, or All Vegetables Come. I can't remember. If I remember, I'll link it down to in the description. And she put up a video about growing ginger, so I'm going to try it. Over there we have, I think that is Brussels sprout. No, cauliflower. That's Brussels sprout, because the slugs had a field day with mine. The primulas, waste of time. I really think it's this compost that's caused this. This is new compost, and this is new compost. That compost basically has done nothing. I've planted more kale. Don't know if you can see that. More kale because the slugs had a field day with mine. And basically that's what's happening. That's what's going on. I'm definitely going to do more Crimson Crust tomatoes, just as a backup, you know, as a safety thing. I'm really hoping this works. I know that in Scotland it's too cold for ginger, but it might grow okay in the house. And I need to get these under a light so that they're all starting to lean over, so I need to go under a light. And that's really about what's going on, what's happening. You might get a better look. See that? The blue ones, I know they're banned, but I bought them like 2 days before them, or the wife brought them in 2 days before they were banned. I think that's my door. Hold on. Yeah, postman, wife, parcel for the wife. So I'm going to use, as I was saying, I'm going to use these until they're gone, unless the police trap me, don't tell me not to. But basically that's all that's going on. And apart from the weather in Scotland for now is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the state of that. Oh God, that's a mess, isn't it? Everything else seems to be going okay. I've kept the fleece on the potatoes just in case we do get a flash frost. But that's about it. So I would really appreciate it if you see this video, if you could subscribe, click the button, share it, whatever it is people do on YouTube. I would really appreciate it. And if you comment and leave a comment below, tell me that you subscribed, I'll get straight back to you. Okay, again, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.